Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ EPHQ, and welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird for 365 days. So you see, Raw 365. Today's episode is what would be some tips to impart upon a beginner who wants to just go off the deep end into the photography industry. Well, first I would say start watching all the Raw 365 videos. I couldn't even do that with a straight face. I'm such a dork, such a tard. Seriously, no, if you want to watch the videos, yeah, that's great. I'm sharing a lot of content on here, but for reals, I'm going to share with you, I don't tell this to everybody, but I'm going to share something with you that my mother told me years ago. It has stuck with me since, and it's something that I've told every one of my students. Go to your local bookstore or to your local library, and I mean literally get like a stack of magazines, books, all the above. Bring a notepad and paper, and a pencil, not your phone, not a computer, but a notepad, paper, and pencil. And I want you to either buy all of them, or while you're there, maybe buy some of them. And I want you to go through everything and pick out what it is that you like about the photography that you're looking at and what you don't like about it. And whatever it is that you don't like about it, I want you to figure out what it is that you could have done to make it either better or suit your taste. That is the first thing that you should do. And then take like a boatload of pictures, like hundreds of thousands of pictures, and do that. That would be a great start for anybody that wants to get involved in the photography industry. It is probably the most powerful tool that you can do to get better at your craft at the beginning. What about you? What about you guys that are out there in photography land? What do you do to get better at your craft? What would you share with somebody that is just getting started in the photography industry? Share downstairs in the Kilt Zone. Hey, 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 Kilt Zone, baby, yeah. And let's wrap it up. Yeah. So that's it, and this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ for another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Appreciate you joining me on this crazy journey for a year. If you're not a subscriber, going home, talk to the hand. No, I'm just messing with you, Subscribe, you know, give it the 3 video challenge. If you don't like what you've seen in the first 3 videos, don't leave a nasty comment, just turn the channel. No, subscribe, and then like, comment, share. Hit the bell for notifications if you're on YouTube. If you need more help being notified, let me know, I'll send a raven. And until next time, remember to do something and do something properly. Stay caffeinated. Aw, yeah. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.